Good morning, people. This is Freddie coming at you with a early morning video. I got my wrestle crate box here. I showed you guys it earlier. So I just got off of work doing an unboxing of it. Alright. It came with a t-shirt. It's a Juicing Thunder Liger t-shirt. I think that's a Liger t-shirt. Somebody let me know if that's Juicing Thunder Liger. I think that's who that is. Let's see what else it came. It came with an action figure. This is Diego. It's the WWE Elite Collection. Diego of the Los Matadores. And then it came with it's got a Rhino picture and a Kevin Owens picture. I still call him Sting. And it also came with a ROH DVD, All-Star Extravaganza. The August 3rd, 2013 was when this happened. I might watch this later on. I am off today, so I probably will be watching this. It came with something else in here, but I don't know what I did with it. Oh well. But it came with a little post-it thing. I don't know where it went, but that is my unboxing of Wrestle Crate. I will catch you guys later on today. I'll probably do another video later on.